I'm tracking 5 moves in AI today. First up, a malicious web page could poison your low. If you want the full breakdown, hit like. A malicious web page could poison your local AI model behind NVIDIA NemoClaw. Oasis Security has disclosed a weakness in NVIDIA NemoClaw that could let an attacker-controlled web page take unauthenticated control of the local Alma instance serving an AI. Breaking this down, NVIDIA background, founded by Jensen Huang. 2026, Rubin Architecture, market greater than $200 billion. 11 real stories. How identity exposure unlocks active attack paths, map cross-domain privilege escalation to sever breach routes at key choke points. What this means, model releases set the competitive benchmark. Regulatory moves reshape the competitive landscape. Next move, the next 6 months will determine who leads. This will set precedent for the AI industry. What do you think about a malicious web page could poise? Drop a comment. Moving on to frontier AI. Vulnerability management's systemic revolution. Vulnerability management has been a staple of security programs since the dawn of the cybersecurity discipline. The symbiotic relationship between vulnerability and patch. The bigger picture. This is part of the accelerating AI industry transformation. 11 real stories. How identity exposure unlocks active attack paths, map cross-domain privilege escalation to sever breach routes at key choke points. The real effect. These developments affect every company building on AI. Here's what to watch. The pace of change will continue to accelerate. The implications of frontier AI, vulnerability man, go further than most realize. What's your view? Next up, AI won't replace radiologists, but it will dramatically change their jobs. A pioneering AI scientist once predicted computers would replace human radiologists. They haven't. Here's the deeper context. This is part of the accelerating AI industry transformation. Why this matters. These developments affect every company building on AI. What comes next? The pace of change will continue to accelerate. AI won't replace radiologists is one to watch. Are you paying attention? And this one, World Humanoid Robot Games show runners breaking records, bursting into flames. Record-breaking robot races are less substantial than household chore challenges. What's really going on? This is part of the accelerating AI industry transformation. Here's the impact. These developments affect every company building on AI. Looking ahead, the pace of change will continue to accelerate. World Humanoid Robot Games show is one to watch. Are you paying attention? Another major development. Apple's new desktop computers are designed specifically for local AI development. Folks have been daisy-chaining Macs for AI. This refresh keeps that in mind. To understand why this matters, this is part of the accelerating AI industry transformation. What this means, these developments affect every company building on AI. The forecast, the pace of change will continue to accelerate. Is Apple's new desktop computers affecting your work? Let me know below. If any of these stories affect your work, drop a comment. I actually read them. Like for more deep dives. Subscribe to never miss an update.